Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. It's Sarab here, bringing yet another video on, of course, a motorbike. But this time, it's slightly different. It's a baby motorbike. And here it is. You may have seen this online already. So it's 1:12. They call it collector's item, but it's quite popular in India. And yes, you can get this online in England. But I had somebody coming in from India and I'd requested if they can pick this up for me. So this is how it comes in, very nicely packaged. It's been 3 days. It's sitting on my shelf and I'm just admiring it. I haven't even opened the box. So I thought I'm going to take this opportunity to do a quick unboxing, take it out of the box and perhaps put it back in there because it's just so nice. If you look at it, look at the detail, I'm not taking it out. So when we talk about the box, pretty simple, very nicely packaged. It survived the travel from India to London, so it must be really nicely packed. So very solid. You can see the bike itself. You don't even have to take it out. I think that's the whole idea of having a collector's item. Just leave it in the box on your bookshelf or on your shelf. Box is pretty simple. Royal Enfield branding, 14 years plus. It says 1:12. And if you look back, it says brand owned by Asia Motors Limited. It's got part number, it's got style number, style color, and manufacturing date, which wasn't too bad, just last year, a few months ago. Okay, without wasting any more time, how about we very gently take it out? So it's coming out. Are we ready? Okay, don't want to break the box, but at the same time, I want this little thing to pop out. Okay, so let's just open it from here. Okay, moment of truth. I'm just going to keep, wow, look at this. The whole idea of getting this particular color was, of course, to match my Royal Enfield. This is the classic Reborn Signals edition, and if we see right up close, it does say Signals 350 there. It's got the RE battalion number, alloys, spoked wheels, etc. Okay, I will have to unscrew it from here. Let's try and open it. Unscrew it. There we go. Don't break anything. It's coming loose. Tiny little screw. Okay, it's out. And everything's starting to fall apart. Bike is in my hand, which is a good thing. Just going to keep it here. There. Okay, wow. Look at this. This is a piece of art. Look at this. It's so nice. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. The suspension works as well. Wow. The chain is fixed, but the suspension works. Front suspension does not. The handle bar rotates. Good quality. Again, it's all... Is it? No, it's not metal. It's plastic, but it looks really good. Look at the detail. The TP28, the number plates there. Tail lights. Wow. That is really good. This is the size. Headlight is, yeah, nice headlight. Little hood on there as well. Indicators. Rear view mirrors. Okay. The mirrors are real mirrors as well. Let's see the engine. Look at the detail in the engine. The air fins are there. Little air box there. Clutch side. Royal Enfield embossed on the engine too. Wow. Has it got a double stand? Oh, it's got a side stand. Wow. Right. Fell down. Okay, so yeah, okay, so it's got a side stand lock. Wow. Look at that. Isn't it just beautiful? Love the suspension. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put that back. And has it got a double stand? Or am I being greedy here? Okay, it does not have double stand. But if you look at the exhaust coming out of that master head, really nice. Even the petrol fuel tank cap. The detail is just spectacular. Okay, so this is my quick review of a new Royal Enfield 1:12 scaled model. Beautiful detail. Ordered and received from India. Nice. All right, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.